My name is Jerry Chandler. I'm from the United States. I'm from the state of North Carolina. My back symptoms started approximately a year and a half ago, and at the time we went to a local orthopedic service in our hometown in North Carolina. We were not satisfied with the results of this, and after approximately a year we started looking into other venues, and after a little bit of research, Indus Health and Melinda Murphy, Tim Eisenhower introduced us to the idea of coming to India, and Dr. Roger Kumar and his staff, and after a little bit of research and phone consultation with him, my mind was made up. I felt completely comfortable with him and his staff, and we kind of went from there. Once we arrived in India, Dr. Roger Kumar's staff and the sisters, what we call nurses in the United States, kind of took over with the tests, all the procedures, and it's been nothing but wonderful since. It was so professional. Everyone I've met, from the housekeeping to the surgery, everything's been first class, very professional. We couldn't have asked for a better group of people from beginning to end that we've met here at Fortis. We're really pleased. I first talked to Dr. Roger Kumar on a phone consultation weeks before I came over, and he absolutely won me over by speaking to him on the phone. His personality is just, you'd have to talk to him and meet him. He is just a great person, a great personality, and of course, to me, one of the top surgeons in the world. He and his staff it's just hard to explain how good they are. And we were just overwhelmed with the care, the professionalism, everything that's happened with him, Dr. Roger Kumar, and his staff. It's just, it's almost beyond words how great it's been for myself. After surgery, when I woke up in the ICU, I was surprised to find out they got me up within a matter of 12 to 14 hours, and I was walking around, which in the United States, things don't happen that quickly, but I learned here that they don't necessarily depend on drugs. They depend on yourself, their professionalism. So they had me up, walking around, and back in my room within a matter of 14 to 16 hours, and immediately started my physical therapy, which went great. After a matter of literally hours, the pain that I had had in my right leg for a year and a half was gone. I'm leaving tomorrow to go back home. I am homesick. We'll be glad to be back home. But I think the trip over here, my surgery, my experience in India has been first class. I would come back in a heartbeat. I'd do it again in a minute. Anyone that I know personally, if they were to ask my opinion about coming to India and Fortis Hospital and Dr. Roger Kumar with this same procedure, I would recommend it, and with absolutely no hesitation. This is the best decision I've ever made. To speak of the best thing at Fortis Hospital would be extremely hard because there's nowhere to begin and end. The surgeons, their staff, again, the sisters, our nurses, the housekeeping, everyone I've met here has been so nice, so polite. It would be hard to pick someone out, but of course I would pick the surgeon because he's the one that fixed my back and sending me home in much better shape. But everyone I've met here has been just outstanding. and no disappointments.